Hello mga Veyga! Welcome back to my channel. How are you? Kumusta na kamo diha? Kumusta na mo diha? Today is a Monday here and I'm sorry kung medyo maingay kasi we're using a fan kasi medyo mainit today. But ang napaka-close up naman ay yeah, I just finished ironing my hair dyan. Nagkabubot dyan kasi yeah, before ako nag-iron sa hair ko, nag-wax ako ng aking legs. Yan yung ginamit ko. And yeah, so for today, I'm doing a vlog and I would like to do this series na vlog of wife life diaries. Parang since nasa bahay lang naman ako, bahay lang ang show ni girl, so why not do a wife life diaries and you know, just show you what my day is like here. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna do it like a weekly vlog or something, but for today I just want to start it today since it's a Monday and Manny is finally back on having his day off today, Monday, and he said that we were gonna go out. So, yeah, I'm just waiting for him. Nandun siya sa labas. Pakita ko from sa window namin dito sa CR. Kita niyo ba? Nasaan na si Dodong? Ay, hindi siya makita. But yeah, he's doing something with his car. Sorry, my screen. So, hindi niyo masyadong makita. Dumaan siya kanina. But yeah, so now I'm about to make some nuggets for him para meron siyang kaining snacks before kami umalis, and I'm thinking of making him a smoothie again because he loves smoothie and it's kind of hot outside, so I thought of making him a smoothie. And nagnakaw ako ng kain ng ice cream kasi pag nakita ni Zeke na kumakain ako ng ice cream, naiinggit siya kasi naubos na yung ice cream niya. Because there's this ice cream for dogs. I don't know if I've shown it to you all sa vlog. But yeah, probably if you're able to get it again, I'm gonna show that ice cream to you. Pero yeah, naubos na kasi siya. Naubos pagkabisdak na walang gino. Naubos na kasi siya. So, wala akong mapakain sa kanya, Pisti. May langaw na naman. Wala akong mapakain sa kanya na ice cream. So, pag gustong kumain ng ice cream, magkawat-kawat ako ba? So, ayun siya. Andun siya sa labas ngayon si Zeke. So, ayan. Ay, mahilis ng aking ice cream. So, kain muna ako ng aking ube ice cream na nabili namin sa... Ayan, nabili namin sa Filipino store dito. Oh, hindi ako naka-vlog nung time na yun. Matok na si Senyor. Oh my God, hindi ko pa na-enjoy ang aking ice cream. Yes, Senyor? Senyorito? Ganyan yan siya. Pagoda tragedy bakla. Hoy. Ayan, gagawin ko na muna ang nuggets, B. So, ito yung nuggets. This is from one of my favorite supermarkets, Aldi, for only $2.99. Oh my gosh, unleaded gas. Oh my gosh, if you guys are here, get these. These are so good. So, there it is. Lapit na siya maluto. Hello mga Veyga! It's another weekend here in New Jersey and I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to continue the vlog that day when I was cleaning after that whole fiasco of the flooding here in the house. So, kasi sobrang nag-concentrate na ako sa paglilinis, hindi na ako nag-video. And also the next day, which was yesterday, dumating yung aking sumpa. Ang aking monthly sumpa. So, nakahilata lang talaga ako dito sa ano namin, sa sofa. Sorry, ito yung trapo ni Zeke. Meron siyang sariling trapo na ginagamit ko pang linis ng bunganga niya. But yeah, so today is a Saturday. Manny's at work. He's gonna come home soon. Half day lang kasi siya every Saturday. And punta kami sa groceries mamaya. Yun lang naman. Wala namang masyadong ganap. Wala kaming masyadong gagawin. So yeah, now, itong asong ite, Zeke needs a bath. So, I'll just show you some clips of me giving him a shower. Medyo mahirap din kasi siya videohan na liguan kasi shower namin siya nililiguan. Tapos masikip ba, wala akong malagyan ng camera. Tapos alam niyo na malaki na aso. Tapos mahirap, wala akong mapaglagyan ng camera. I tried doing it before pero hindi siya okay yung clips. Maglilinis na naman ako, walang humpay na paglilinis. Hindi ko siya natapos the other day. Kasi ano bang nangyari? Hindi parang pagoda, tragedy talaga yung katawan ko ba na hindi ko natapos yung paglilinis. So, ayun, let's go. And I need to really give this doggy a shower kasi medyo mabantot na siya. Mabantot na si bakla. Zeke! Get up na, come on. Ayaw pa naman ito maligo. Lolo. Enough sleeping. Come on, let's go. Come on, boy. Go inside. Come on. Go inside. Come on. Time to shower. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come. Why is it so hard to get you in? Come on. Come here now. Zeke. Come. Good boy. Come on. Shower time. Wow, look. Wow, come here. Smell it. Wow, come here. Come. Get it. Come inside, come on. Go inside. Come on. Get it. Come on. Get? Come on. Oh my God. Ito na naman tayo. Struggle is real. Ayaw pumasok ni bakla. Kailangan ng motivation. Ito yung kanyang treats. Come on. Go inside. Come on. Good boy. Here you go. Ah! Good boy. Wow. Good boy, Zeke. Come on. Yes. Ayan na. Ligo na, ha? Time to ligo. Yep. Sit. Good boy. Okay, that's it. Okay. Shower time. Yay! Good boy, Zeke. Good job. Yay! struggle is to get him dry. Let's see. Where are you going? We're not done drying you. Come here. Sit. I know. I know. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. His favorite part. Okay, sir. Senyorito, we're done. Ayaw niya pa matapos. We're done na, sir. Okay, get up now. Come on. He's so cute. Because of that, you're going to get a treat. Zeke is gonna have a burger. He has this burger minis. He has this burger minis that he loves so much. Come on. That's it. Good job. Good job. So this is how the burger minis look like. So cute. Okay, sit. Good boy. I'll show them. Who's your mommy? Good boy. He's so cute. Oh, love you, Jiggy. Love you. Love
Next
you.
on Abby's Wife Life Diaries.
It's the Ulanzi wide-angle lens for cameras.
¿Se lo pongo primero ya? Yeah.
So it's a Saturday night. We are currently at Manny's car group. Sure did I?
That was just a sneak peek.
Oy! Manap! Lagpot atong kalag ani nila eh.